What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Aioz network, which has been pumping like crazy over the last 24 hours. As you can see, it has gone up 75% up in value, making it just above 8 cents per coin. So where is it heading to next? As you can see, a huge green candlestick obviously means a major increase. So is it time to buy? Is it too late? Should you wait for it to drop back down in value, or should you sell it, take out your profits and then reinvest when it drops, so on and so on? I'm going to try and cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at its next potential target over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and over in 2022, giving you guys my prediction on this crypto. Is it one worth investing into, or would you just rather put your money into a different crypto and so on? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So according to Coinbase, yes, Aioz is a top gainer in the last 24 hours. In the last hour, it has dropped half a percentage. Over the last day, 81%. Over the week, 60%. And over the month, just about 2%. As you can see, major drops here in early to mid-June. Literally dropping from about 8 cents all the way down to 5 cents. And then right now, picking back up in value slowly. Well, not really slowly. It's literally pumped up 75% in a space of, let's have a look here, in the space of about 7 to 8 hours. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 4,100%, making it just under $9 million in trading volume, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Aioz network. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, as it's one of the top gainers, so more and more people will be looking into it. As you can see, 73% buy against 27% sell. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So I'm just going to quickly draw it right now, just to get prepped up for later on when I do the technical analysis. But as usual, what we are going to start off with is the MACD indicator to do some price prediction. So I'm just going to hide this and bring up the MACD indicator, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we have also got the purple line at the top here, which is the SMA indicator, which is currently valuing Aioz at just under 6 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value at nearly 9 cents, meaning it is performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we've got the blue line and the orange line looking quite steep, going in a bullish direction. Well, they were looking quite steep. However, we can see the blue line has started to calm down a little bit and start going in a straight line. The only reason for that is obviously the major increase in value has made the graph think, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. But there has been dips in between as well, and the last bit here, the last half an hour to an hour, it has dipped quite a bit, so the graph has also calmed down a little bit. And this basically proves my point, as I always mentioned in most of my videos. Whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase, just like what's happened here, in a short amount of time, it has to drop back down in value. It has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies here to Aioz, and we can clearly see it happening. More drops are expected on the way. I am expecting it to drop down a little bit more over the coming hours. Again, that doesn't mean we're not going to see a peak in value. Of course we will. We're going to even see it go up above the 10 cents target as well, 10 to 11 cents target. But the overall outcome over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So do expect more drops in value on Aioz. Now moving on to the hourly chart, again we've got the blue line and the orange line going in a very steep direction, a bullish positive side. But again, as I mentioned, the exact same reason applies here. I am expecting it to drop down in value over the coming days. So towards the end of this week and very early next week, we should be back down to between the 6 to 7 cents target. Again, it's not going to be dropping every single day for the next 7 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days when it's up, red days when it's down. But the overall outcome is what I'm talking about. And at this point, it seems to be more on the negative side. As mentioned, trading between the 6 to 7 cents target is what I'm expecting. Now, Moving on to the daily chart, now we're looking much more realistic. We're not looking as steep as we were in the previous two charts, but we still got the blue line and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive. So an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting over the next couple of weeks. So I'm talking about mid-August to late August. We should expect it to increase in value, potentially going to about 13 to 14 cents or even higher than that. Again, it all depends on how the crypto market performs, guys. As usual, well, if you see Bitcoin dropping in value quite heavily, then we are going to see most cryptos following a similar pattern. However, if Bitcoin does decide to pump up in value, then we are also going to see most cryptos following a similar pattern. So essentially, these are my predictions as of right now, but again, if there are any major crashes or any major bull runs, this will change, and that is why I'll make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator. And speaking of Bitcoin, guys, and how it drives the market in a positive and negative direction, what I have done for you guys is created a Telegram group chat which you guys can join using the link in the description box down below. So what I'll be showing you guys is daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin, on what to expect, where it's heading to every single day, positive, negative, what price target is likely to hit, so on and so on, and showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. All of that for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off, because it is usually $29.99. But I thought, you know what, let me make a discount code where the first 100 members can, have a 50% off, and over half the spaces have already gone. So there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. So just to give you guys a clear image on what's going to take place once you sign up, you're going to get put into two group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and as you can see here, that is where I'll be showing you guys daily updates and predictions on Bitcoin, on what to expect, where it's heading to. Obviously, this is an old screenshot from about late May when Bitcoin was trading on 29k. And I will also be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on other cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. But yeah, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, once again, the link is in the description box down below. So back to Aioz we go. So as you can see, we are trading in the red zone and have been trading in the red zone since, let's have a look here, in early December 2021 is when we dropped into the red zone, and we've just been getting worse and worse and worse over time. And for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least 69 cents, and we are only trading at 8 cents at the moment. We're going to have to go through about a good 8 to 900% increase for us to even think about hitting the green line here, which I am not expecting anytime soon. So more or less most of the year, or for most of this year, it is likely we are going to be trading in the red zone, and for most of next year as well, because it's going to require a major increase in value for us to hit the green zone, and nothing like that is expected as of yet. But obviously, if there are any major news or major updates that can have a positive or negative impact on the value of Aioz, I will make sure to keep you guys updated. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on this crypto. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. And especially all the subscribers out there, thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, because I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. So it'd mean a lot if you guys can please hit that subscribe button. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.